Good morning. Here's another quick little Tech for Senior tip. This one is for all of us using the Chrome browser, and it has to do with the extensions. You know, these little helper tools that are up here next to the address bar. Well, Google is making a change to make those extensions safer. But by doing that, there may be some extensions that you currently depend on that won't work anymore. And if you don't hurry up and find an alternative, it's just not going to work anymore. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Extensions. This little icon up here brings up your extensions, a listing of them. And if you use them, now's the time to check to make sure that all the ones you do have will continue to function. To do that, go to the three-dot menu, top right, click on it, scroll down to where you see extensions, and when you hover your mouse over it, one of the options is Manage Extensions. Select that. That opens up a new menu. And as soon as it opens, you'll notice there's a box here that says these extensions may soon no longer be supported. Remove or replace them with similar extensions from the Chrome Web Store. Now you can simply dismiss it and be surprised when they stop working, or you can do something about it. The third item on here is uBlock Origin, which helps to block some of the pop-ups. A very popular extension, but this is not going to work anymore. So it's time to find an alternative. And here are a listing of some alternatives that you can use. Pick one that has a good rating, one that has been recommended as working once the change has been made, and then you won't have to worry about not being able to block the pop-ups, which is what uBlock Origin does. I personally will be installing AdBlock Plus. That's a quick little look at what's coming down the pike in Chrome. Be aware of the fact that if you do nothing, some of your extensions may not work anymore. So to find out and make sure that you take care of this, again, the three-dot menu, down to where it says Extensions, hover over it and select Manage Extensions. And from here, follow up on the warning that's issued. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching and listening.